Welcome to Ikounselor's YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about GMAT and brief description about GMAT exam. General Management Admission Test or GMAT is the most popular entrance exam for management programs. This highly competitive exam is taken by tens of thousands of managerial aspirants every year. As a gateway, it provides access to hundreds of top-tier management programs from some of the world's best universities. Through this video, we aim to provide you with useful information regarding the GMAT, including how to prepare, where to get GMAT test preparation help, and what you can do with your GMAT score. The GMAT exam has 4 sections. Analytical Writing Assessment section. This section tests your ability to analyze things and draw reasonable interpretations. This section has one question that has to be completely in 30 minutes. Integrated Reasoning, Graphics Interpretation, Table Analysis, Multi-source Reasoning, etc. constitute this section. It lasts for 30 minutes. Quantitative Reasoning. This section spans 62 minutes and contains data sufficiency and other mathematical questions. In short, you need to be in love with numbers to score well in this section. Verbal Aptitude. This section tests your English skills. It will contain several reading comprehensions, some critical reasoning questions, and some correction questions. It lasts for about 65 minutes. These 4 sections constitute the entire GMAT examination. There are numerous opportunities that can be availed with its score. Almost all managerial institutions accept GMAT across the world. Most IIMs also accept GMAT scores for admitting students into their 1-year or 2-year programs. Admissions into MIM programs are also done on the basis of GMAT scores. All in all, GMAT can be your common pathway for a plethora of managerial programs in the multiple esteemed universities like Harvard, Wharton, INSEAD, and more. Ikounselor is providing the best online GMAT course. Our expert teachers would train you to excel in each section of this prestigious examination. We provide interactive sessions in which we would explain all the concepts precisely. Our GMAT course entails many mock tests, performance analysis, past paper analysis, etc. We make our GMAT training program stand out by onboarding international faculties for you. These are experts in their respective disciplines with years of experience. Once you enroll in our program, we guarantee you assured success. With guaranteed results and a reasonable and flexible fee structure, we offer you the perfect course for you. Contact our professionals for free by dialing 750-936-2222 now. Press the like button if you found this video useful and subscribe to get more such content.